Hey guys, welcome back to another video. If you're new here, my name is Cassidy, and today we are going to be making some cucumber melon slime. I don't know if there's other people that made that name or not, but I just thought of the name because of the body wash cucumber agave smash. And for the slime that what the ingredients you're gonna need is glue, obviously. I have a little bit left in here. Well, this is school glue, Elmer's school glue. You're going to need some body wash. Your slime activator. Today I'm going to be using some contact lens solution and baking soda. And for my color, I'm going to be using a green. Like a green color. You can tell there's red paint on it, but in my paint thing that I got from this is a number 3 green. So yeah, let's get started with this video. Okay, first you're going to need to pour in your glue. This might take a little while because this glue doesn't seem like it's going to come out that fast. Oh my gosh. Alright you guys, I'll be back with you guys when this is done and getting out the bottle. Alright guys, I got all my glue emptied out of the big bottle. Well, not all of my glue out of that bottle, obviously. Okay, now you're going to be needing to take your body wash, whatever scent it is. This one is cucumber agave smash body wash. This right here was the reason why that I started to make this slime. It's a really good, I love the scent of it, so yeah. You don't want to put a lot because it's like a gel type, just like.
You ready to come eat, baby?
No, not yet.
You want me to make your plate for you?
Sure.
Cool. Do you want just sausage, peppers, and onions, or do you want it on bread?
Just sausage, peppers, and onions. Sorry about that, you guys. That was my mom's boyfriend. He's making supper, well, dinner, or whatever you guys call it. Comment down below and tell me what you guys call it supper or dinner. Okay, then you mix it all in. I'm going to go in with my color now. I'm not going to put a lot because I want to do it like a mint color, you know. Okay, let's see what color this makes. It's darker than what I thought it would be, but it's a pretty mint color, if you guys can see that. Yeah, no, you guys can't really see it, but it's like a lime green, like a darkish lime green mint kind of color. I don't know. Okay, then some baking soda. Be careful on how much baking soda you put in there because baking soda is the stuff that makes it come together into slime. The contact solution just holds it together, but the baking soda is the part that you need for it to make like the slime consistency. The reason why I was making that sound is because I have to break up the chunks of baking soda so it can go all throughout the glue or slime or whatever. Now you put in your contact solution. I just do a couple zigzags this way and then zigzags up and down. And you stir it in. And there's your slime. Before I touch it, I ended up putting contact lens solution on my hands. But yes, it does make your hands a little dry, but you can just go ahead and put your lotion on after you like play with your slime. Because of the contact lens solution that I put on my hands, that's what I do if you guys are wondering. And now I just knead it. And I actually really like this side. Smells really good. It smells like cucumbers. I love that it has like, I love slimes that always end up having some type of soap in it because then that's what makes it like really crunchy because of all the soap bubbles. That's what you can call it, I guess. But yes, this is a really pretty green color. Like, cause of the contact solution and stuff, it like lightened it down somehow, and it turned into like this really pretty mint color. You guys can't really see the color, but I promise you it's a mint. And earlier I made a video on trying to make what was it called? Cake batter, and you needed all these ingredients and it didn't work out for me. So I guess I can call this video the cake batter one and just not do the other one because the other one was a total fail. So yeah, here you guys go. This is the slime. It is very stretchy. It's very crunchy, you guys can tell. Let's see if it pokes. Okay. Oh, it pokes. Yay. It's like real slime, just with soap, not without soap, but with the soap. It's really pretty. Yeah, so I actually really recommend making slime this way if you want it to be like thick, glossy, stretchy, clicky, and crunchy. Then I would use soap in your slime. Well, not just any soap, like body wash, because it seems like body wash is better than any other soaps that you use. Sorry for looking at you guys, it's just there's a dog in my yard and I don't know whose dog it is. It's cute though. It's a whole black dog. Yeah, this is my video. If you guys liked it, please leave a big thumbs up and subscribe. Next to the subscriber button there is this bell. It is called the notification bell, and it notifies you you guys every time I post a video. And if you guys have subscribed and hit the notification bell. I want you guys to do the hashtag notification squad down there. And yeah, so I'll see you guys next time. Bye.